Hey guys, just a quick Walmart stop tonight, and they've got some new Silver Series that I have not seen. The Summit Surge Edition. Look at that speed tail. I'm gonna have to pick that up. What is, ooh, look at that Aston Vulcan. Man, what else have they got? Ooh, look at that Jaguar in black. That is nice. Heck yeah. And we've got a Ford Performance Super Van. What else do they got? Ooh, Fiat 500. It's kind of cool. That must be all of them, huh? Yep. Yeah, cool little finds. I had not seen these before, so I'll pick up a couple of those. All right, guys, made it back from Walmart. Just our quick little stop there. We found these Summit Surge Silver Series. So I only picked up the 3. Like I showed you in the store, there were a couple more. So they had the Fiat and the Ford Performance van. But we're going to crack these 3 open. Take a peek at them here quick. So the Vulcan in this yellow color. The plasticky wing there. All plastic, no metal on this one. It actually feels very cheap for a $3.47 car. So definitely not getting your money's worth in these Silver Series cars, at least on that one. And I really like this Jaguar casting here, guys. This has been out in a few different colors, but first time I've seen it in black. And I think it does it justice in this color, so looks pretty good. The MK1. Yeah, that's pretty nice. And then the McLaren Speedtail in that nice blue color. Digging that one too. Man, I don't know if they've changed these things. They seem really, really cheap, guys. I feel like these cars specifically have gotten cheaper than a typical Hot Wheel. Even the underneath plastic seems like they're cutting corners for costs there. Very lightweight. Starting to get close to like a Maisto or Adventure Force for heft, in my opinion. But those are the 3 that I picked up, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys have found these in the stores or not yet. But they do tend to have some pretty cool Silver Series now and then. So this one was an okay in my book. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for our next unboxing video. Have a good one.